Hello everyone, how are you? Are you okay? I hope so. I miss you all students. Now we start the lesson. Okay, we study about chapter 11. Chapter 11 we have geometry. Lesson 1 we studied about this, about angle relationships. We study about vertical angles. For example, angle 20 and 20 are verticals, and adjacent angle 100 M R N and N R Q are adjacent. And however, for example, there's 1 and 2 are vertical angles, 3 and 4 are adjacent. And we solve the more examples, and we know about this. We have complementary angle and supplementary angle. There's also we have complementary angle and supplementary. This is a complementary angle. Why? Because we have right angle. If we have right angle, it means equal to 90 degree. So you can find this angle by using 90 minus 75 equal to 15. So this is this angle equal to 15, and it's called a complementary angle. If two angles complementary, if the sum of their measure is 90, and supplementary if the sum of two angles equal to 190, equal to say supplementary angle. This is supplementary because 80 plus this is equal to what? Equal to 100. Why? Because we have a line. Each line is 180 degree. You can say 180 minus 80 equal to 100. So this angle is 100. And we solved more examples also. And now we study about lines and angles at page 168. Open page 168, and now we study about lines and angles. We have parallel lines because we have two lines in a plane, and they are always the same distance apart and cannot intersect two lines. There's we haven't common points between two lines. So you can say this is a line AB and line ML is parallel lines. You can say by this symbol, say it means parallel. This symbol, it means parallel, student. Okay, after that we have intersecting lines. If two lines cross exactly at one point, just we have one point. If two lines intersect at one point, is called intersecting lines. And we have perpendicular. If we make 4 right angle, we have 4 right angle is a perpendicular lines. Okay, now we have transversal and interior angle, exterior angle. There's interior angle, angle 3 and angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior, but angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8 are exterior angles. An alternate interior angle. What means that? Alternate interior angles. If you looked, angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate. Alternate in Kurdish it means la bala. Angle 3 and angle 6 is alternate, and angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate angles. Angle 4 and 5 are alternate. 3 and 6 are alternate angles. Okay, now we solved about corresponding angles. Is an exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles, you can say corresponding angles. Also both of them is right, student. Look at theirs. This is there are this angle and this angle are corresponding angles or alternate exterior angles. One of them in exterior and one of them in interior. Okay, and there's also we have this angle and in exterior and this angle in interior are corresponding angles, and there's also we have an interior and this angle is in exterior also are corresponding. There's also, if we looked at this example to say, use the figure at the right, name all pairs of the given types of angles. Alternate interior angles, if you look, angle 2 and angle 7 are alternate, angle 6 and angle 3 are alternate interior angle. What about the corresponding angle? If you look, 1 and 3 are corresponding angles, 2 and 4 are corresponding angles, 5 and 7, angle 5 and angle 7 are corresponding angles, angle 6 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. Do you know, students? Okay, now we solve the practices. Practice 3 say classify the lines as parallel, perpendicular or intersecting using the symbol parallel or intersect when appropriate. Practice 3 say line segments AB and line segments CD are intersecting or perpendicular or parallel. If you look, we have intersecting, like the answers are right. The answer is intersecting lines. And practice 4, we have line PQ and line RS are perpendicular lines, and perpendicular line because make it right angles in all angles. Number 5 are parallel lines. This is parallel because cannot intersect it. We have the same distance between two lines, all points in the lines. Number 6 is intersecting lines because intersect at one point. Number 7 say use this figure. Number 7 say name all the pairs of alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle, it means 2 and 8 are alternate interior angle. 3 and 5 alternate interior angle. This is, it means angle, students. You need to write this. Okay. Number 8. Name all pairs of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, we have 1 and 5 are corresponding angle, 2 and 6 are corresponding angle, 4 and 8 are corresponding angle, and 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. Okay, now we solve more examples. Sorry. Okay. Practice 9. Classify is parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular. If we have a line GH and line EF are perpendicular or parallel or intersect. If you look, we have a line EF parallel to line GH. This is, it means, this symbol, it means parallel. And question 10 say line BC and line ED are intersecting because intersect at what point and is not perpendicular. 11 is perpendicular. This symbol, it means perpendicular. Question 12 is line AB and line CD are intersecting lines. Okay, you can say write down lines. Write down lines, student. Okay, that's enough. I think that's enough. Now we solve this practices. Practice 17, open page 170. 170. At 170 we have question 17. Question 17 say name all parallel lines DR. A line is parallel to line DR. Which line? If you look, DR, this line. And which line is parallel? FN, line FN are parallel to line DR. Okay, now question 18. Name a line perpendicular to DR. Line DR. Which line DR? This line is line DR. Which one is perpendicular? Look, this just intersect. Line NR is just intersect. Line F, B or FD is just intersect at one point, and intersecting is not perpendicular. There are not perpendicular, but if you look, line NB is perpendicular to line RD or DR. Both of them right, students. So we write it perpendicular to line NB are perpendicular to line RD, or RD are perpendicular to NB. And question 19. Name all perpendicular lines to NB. NB, this is NB. Which line are perpendicular? If you look at FN and DR are perpendicular. This line and this line are perpendicular to line NB. Question 20. Yes, 20. Name a line parallel to FN. Name a line parallel to FB. This line is FB. This is FB. Name a line are parallel to this NC, or you can say NR. NR is parallel to FB. Line FB and line NR are parallel lines. Question 21. Name a corresponding angle to angle 2. This is angle 2 and corresponding. Which angle? Angle 4 is corresponding to, because angle 2 in interior and angle 4 is in exterior, and is corresponding angles. Okay, students, today we finish in this lesson, students. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.